Most parents know how tough it is to make school lunches every day. I'm going to show you a simple hack that will be life-changing. Freeze ahead sandwiches. This is how you do it. The secret to freeze ahead sandwiches is choosing the right ingredients so that the bread doesn't go soggy, and also the order you layer the ingredients in the sandwich. You can use any type of bread. I've chosen 3 different types: a rye, a white, and a wholemeal. I've got 3 great sandwich fillings for you: chicken and avocado, ham and hummus, roast chicken and pumpkin. You want to avoid watery ingredients like tomato or lettuce. They really don't freeze well. Okay, I'm going to start now. We're going to get some softened butter. This just acts as a barrier and stops the bread from going soggy during the freezing. First up, we're going to make the chicken and avocado sandwich. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice, a squeeze of lemon, to my avocado, which I've already mashed. This just stops the avocado from going brown. We're going to place that onto the centre of the bread. Don't go too close to the edges, try and stay on the butter, because that way the bread won't go soggy. And what I've got here is some chicken, some Mexican seasoning, and some mayonnaise. If you don't like the Mexican seasoning or it's too strong, just add a little less, or you could use some paprika. And that's our first one done, chicken and avocado. Now for the hummus and ham sandwich. I've got some leg ham, and we place that on. I've chosen the white bread for this one. And then some hummus, which I've mixed in some chopped chives. And I'm putting this in the middle of the sandwich. So that's our wet ingredient, and we're just keeping it away from the bread, so when it freezes, it won't go soggy. And then just top with some grated cheese. And that's number 2 done. For our final sandwich, we're going to do the roast chicken and pumpkin. So I've got some roasted pumpkin. You can also pan fry it. Some thin slices, that's going down first. Again, that protects the bread. Then we're going to put some tomato relish. Some basil leaves. You could probably use some spinach as well for that one. And then we've just got our roasted chicken. As you can see, the wet ingredient is in the middle. Pop on the lids, and all you have to do is cut them in half. Now I'm going to wrap the sandwiches ready for the freezer. So we just get some baking paper. We place the sandwich in the middle. Once the sandwiches are wrapped, pop them in an airtight container, put them in the freezer, and they can be there for about 3 months. Take the sandwich out the night before you need it and defrost it in the refrigerator. The next day, pack it in your lunchbox, and don't forget a freezer brick, because that will keep your sandwich the right temperature all day. It's that simple. So go ahead and make some freezable sandwiches to make your busy mornings fuss-free.